Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find lactose-free recipes in Aldi application. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you have to tap on the recipe button and all the receipts, and you will see these lactose-free options, and you will see all the options right there. For example, the pancakes with banana, and that's all. Or the chicken. I hope you like this and it helped you, and if it was helpful, please consider to subscribing. And that's pretty much for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.